Hi students, if you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Don't forget to like it. Now I am going on. Topic is mathematical reasoning. Now discuss about De Morgan's laws. Now using truth tables. First one, negation of P and Q is equal to negation P or negation Q. Okay, now using truth tables. Now first to P, Q. Now true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Okay, next one, P and Q. P and Q. Now your first connectivity. First connective means now both true, true means true. Otherwise, remaining all are false. Now here only true means that value is equal to true. Remaining all are false. Now here false, and here also false, and here also false. Next, negation P and Q. Negation P and Q. Okay, now negation of this one. Now here true. True means that value false. Now here false, true, and here also false. Now here this one true. This one negation true. Okay. Next here negation P or negation Q. Next write down negation P. Okay, negation P means now here true. True means negation P false. Okay, now here also true. That one false. Now here false, true, and here also false, true. Okay, next write down negation Q. Now negation Q means now here Q value here true. This one false. Now here false, true. Next here true, false. Now here false, true. Okay, next one negation P or negation Q. Negation P or negation Q. Okay, now negation P or negation Q means R means now according to truth table only false, false, false remaining every time is true. Only false, false means here only false remaining all are true. Now here true, and here also true, and here also true. Now here both are same, logically equal to negation of P and Q is equal, logically equal to negation P or negation Q. Here both are equal. Therefore, negation P and Q logically equal to negation P or negation Q. Here false, false, true, 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 true. Now second law, negation P or Q is equal to negation P and negation Q. Negation P or Q logically equal to negation P and negation Q. Okay, now using truth table. Now P, Q. Okay, true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Okay, next P or Q. P or Q. Okay, P or Q means now according to second connectivity, both truth values are false, false. Otherwise, remaining true. Both are false means false. Remaining all are true. Now here true, and here also true, and here also true. Now negation of P or Q. Negation of P or Q. Now here this one negation of P or Q means here true, this one false. Here true, false. Now true, false. Now false, true. Okay, next negation P. Negation P means now here P true. True means this one false. And here also true. This one also false. Now here false. Here true. Now here false. This one true. Okay, next negation Q. Okay, negation Q means now here true. This one false. Now here false. True. Now here true. False. Now here false. True. Okay, next to write down negation P and negation Q. Negation P and negation Q. Now according to first connectivity, both are true means true, otherwise remaining are false. Both are true means true, remaining all are false. Here also false, and here also false, and here also false. Now here negation of P or Q, this one and this one, both are same. Therefore, negation of P or Q logically equal to negation P and negation Q. Now here both are logically equal to negation P or Q equal to negation P and negation Q. Next one, negation P implies Q logically equal to P and negation Q. Okay, now using truth tables. Now here P, Q, okay, now true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Okay, next P implies Q. Okay, now P implies Q means, okay, now according to implication, true, now truth values, true, false is false, remaining, otherwise remaining all are true. True, false is false. Now remaining all are true. And here also true, and here also true, and here also true. Okay, next negation of P implies Q. Negation of P implies Q. Okay, now here true means this one false, negation. Here false means true. Here true means false. Here true means false. Okay, next one, negation Q. Negation Q. Okay, now here Q is equal to here true means this one false. Now here false. False means this one true. Now here also true. True means this one false. And here also false. This one true. Okay, next P and negation Q. P and negation Q. Okay, now here P and means now according to first connectivity, and means both are true values means true, remaining all are false. Now here P and negation Q, both are true, and here also true, true means here true. Remaining all are false, and here also false, this one also false, this one also false. Therefore, here negation P implies Q logically equal to P and negation Q. Here both are equal. Here false, false, true, true, false, 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 false. Therefore, negation P implies Q logically equal to P and negation Q. Next one is negation P double implies Q logically equal to P end negation Q or Q end negation P. Now using truth tables prove that this one equal to this one. Okay, now here P Q. Okay, now here true, 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 false, false, true, false, false. Okay, next P double implies Q. P double implies Q. Okay, P double implies Q means now according to by implication both truth values are same. Suppose true, true, that value is true. False, false, that value is true. Now remaining time all are false. Okay, now here true, true means that value is true, and here also false, and here also false, and here also same values is there. Now is that is value is true. Okay, next one. Negation of P double implies Q. Negation of P double implies Q. Okay, now here true is there. Now that value is equal to false. Now here false means that value true. Here true. Now here false. Okay, next one. Negation P. Negation P. Next to negation Q. Okay, negation P, here true is there, that value false. Now here true is there, that value is equal to false. Now here false is there, now that value true. And here also false is there, that value is equal to true. Okay, negation Q means that value is true is there, now here false. And here also false is there, that value true. And here also true is there, that value is false. And here also false is there, that value is equal to true. Okay, next one, P and negation Q. P and negation Q. Okay, P and negation Q. Here P, this one negation Q. Okay, end means, now here end means according to first connectivity, both are true means that value is true, otherwise all false. Okay, now here both are true, here only true means that value is true, remaining all are false. Okay, remaining all are false, and here also false, and here also false, and here also false. Okay, next one, Q end negation P. Q end negation P. Okay, Q end negation P means here Q and negation P. Okay, end means here both are true, otherwise remaining are false. Here true, here false, false and false. Here true and true, only this one value is true. Remaining all are false. Okay, and here also false, this one also false, and here also false. Okay, next one, P and negation Q. P and negation Q or Q and negation P. Q and negation P. Okay, now R means both are false, that value is equal to false. Remaining all are true. Both are false means here false and false, that value is equal to false. And here also false means that value is equal to false. Remaining all are true. Okay, here also true and here also true. Okay, now according to this one, negation P double implies Q. This one is equal to this one. Here false, false, true, 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 false, false. Therefore, negation of P double implies Q is equal to P and negation Q or Q and negation P.